Screeching metal clashes. Sparks paint the arena. One final devastating hit sends opponent down KO blast.
Backwards flying. Like that. More. Yeah, it got split. Much more durable as well. Back in there. Oh my goodness. My gosh. And once again, that shot, the explosion, peak unbelievable pictures.
It was right in front of me.
That's a knockout. Sparks, chaos, and the most destructive finish yet.
Oh my gosh! What a shot! Ghost Raptors in Raptor pits! Unbelievable! 80s going end to end. Although I don't think but now it looks pretty much like Legos.